What is meant by love? Does humans really need love to lead their life? If you say yes, then who needs such love? Answer is weak people. Okay, let me clear this. Love is nothing but a mixture of emotions, pleasure, thoughts, feelings. In our daily life, based on every particular situation, we feel different emotions. In the same way, love is nothing but an emotion. Mostly it comes out when you see a girl or boy who increase your dopamine or adrenaline hormone. So love is nothing but an emotion. Okay, let me give an example. If you love your mom, dad, sister, whoever, it doesn't matter. But if you love them a lot, just assume that one fine day someone in your family has suddenly died. So how you feel? I know everyone feels so sad and even you may cry for them and you feel sick, depression. But to get out of that mood, maybe for you it takes 6 months or 1 year of time, right? But trust me, once you get out of that mood, for whom you cried, at least you are not even remember their faces also. But whatever the emotion you feel during their death is true, right? But after 1 or 2 years, it's gone. So from this, we have to understand that each and every emotion we had a certain expiry date. So don't sacrifice your entire life just for one emotion in the name of marriage. Love between a boy and girl is always connected to a trap called pleasure. So to fall in the trap, nature creates a sexual desire in us. Like for example, carnivorous plants. It attracts the insects by releasing a perfume smell in the air. Why? To attract the insects. In the same way, we are attracted for our desires. So the persons who knows to control their short-term emotions, those people also know how to get out of that moment called pleasure by balancing their stress level. For such people, they don't need love in their life. Basically, the concept of love is built upon trust and hope. Until and unless the people die, love never exists between the two people. But the problem is, the people who fall in love, they don't know how to control their own hormones, but they always try to understand or to control their partner's feelings, emotions, hormones in the name of relationships. But until and unless they can't realize that nothing gets free in life. If you have to get something, you want to lose something else. That can be your time, energy, money, losing control on your own body. Even sometimes it costs the entire life. But you can't realize what you are losing in your life until you get out of it. What nature says to us. Why only nature give that eternity power to only humans? Just think. Why can't we use that knowledge to get enlightenment in our life? If you can't fit your soul in your own body by controlling it, then it doesn't make any sense whom you love. On this planet, nature creates so many mysterious things, but still most of the things even we don't know. Love is one of it. Most expensive and wonderful hallucination which makes us blind. You can't see the actual truth. Love makes our brain dumb. But it always tries to project that you are in a heaven. So the people who fall in love, those people can't lead their life alone. And they can't enjoy their own company. So that those people always try to search for the other company. So I believe that humans got affected by humanitarian virus, so that always try to seek energy from the outer bodies. They can't realize their inner core to lead their own life.